that because me don't like it. So she come in my life and I rule my family like that. Because you know, so she come in my life and kiss my sister man and all of a sudden, my sister want know my location for come beat me off.
So when did she take your sister, man? When was that?
Last night, yesterday they meet up on Gar River.
How she take the man last night and I run things so easy, so fast?
Exactly, because you know say Annie have a pussy we say can't catch you catch quacko. Can't catch quacko, you catch you shot. So you catch my sister shot.
And catch Paco, catch the shot.
Yes, because you Annie can't catch me because from me angle Annie can't come back good yet. So you can't catch me and go catch my sister.
Oh, so what we're going to do, when I get back to Toronto, because I'm heading home today, right?
Yeah.
When I get home, because I'm in Jamaica, I didn't even get to see you. I'm gonna message you, and we are gonna set up an interview. So once you give your side of the story, then
Yes.
I'll contact her to give her side of the story.
Yes.
I'm
Our
sorry,
page name Chantel 11234 and the other one named Fierce Expression and Annie one name Annie Backup page.
I know Annie's one. So basically, she took your sister. So she took your sister, man. Did he go freely? But did he go freely to her or
No.
to him?
Last night if you did that watch the live, Annie harass him. Annie hold on pan him.
Mm-hmm.
Annie show me the pan the live and he hold on pan him and hold him face and push the food in her mouth and kiss him. Because she know me the pan the live. That's why she raped him last night.
Okay, so she are him la. So this is a very interesting interview. So how did he allow her to rape him?
Because to him then at the public and him a want look a fool man when you know where him a do want half a clout and views and look of money. In there they know say Annie a go hold him face so quick. So when Annie do it, you want see him just draw him face and chop the bread, the grape and then say, it's nice man, me have to drink some wine. Then here Annie bird feed me now.
Oh, I thought you were saying she raped him as like
Yes, hold on pan him and jump up on him. That's the clothes what she have and ride off her.
Did they have sexual intercourse?
Yes, because clothes come off. And you see him body jar then can bleach them out so them brown.
So where did you see all that? So somebody in my chat said the guy said he was single. How true is that?
Yes, him don't single, me have proof.
So do you think that he's doing it just for the clout or?
Me not tell no lie. That now do for cloud. I told me run well left them in a what year them want kill me off for me look $500 a week. And two them want kill me off. Me run away. So to me run now I'm comfortable and find peace. They want come on the internet for find one way to get to me. So that's why I should go group up with Annika. Annie say my mother sell all away my mother Obi worker. So if my sister group up with Annie, I mean she a come for.
Why would your sister? Okay, you have two sisters. One of them is the man she took away, and the other one grew up with her.
No, one of them Annie take him man, and my sister and the you see, I want red markets, my sister. Chew with papa and then grow and cook chicken and fried chicken a party and make whole money and buy the markets, right?
Hold on a second. Guys, I have up to 340 to check in. It's 329. They said I can go through at 340. It's only 329. Go ahead, continue.
Yes. So you see the red markets now, she then at the back of it, right? She then at the back of it. So I call her and said to her, say, you sure? So you not tell me no lie? Oh, she sure she not tell me no lie, you know. So I say, alright then, she there sent her mas. He might go so far for her, me not believe. Rascal, me only say so for see for two, you know. No, all about the girl there. So the man now go for Annie Rowan and Miss Crescent. You know Crescent down Manchester, right? But you know they're not Mandeville, Crescent, right? So the man go for me now, right? And I saw she there in the little background like the little where you
Rosa send me request. Can I add Rose? Rosa send me request.
had him, but sometimes I can't manage him.
Rose, we're in a deep conversation here. Something is wrong, and he took her sister's boyfriend, so she wants an interview. Continue, baby girl. I'm listening.
Yeah, I may had Jakes this morning, and I tell Jakes the situation. Jakes I defend Annie.
No,
Me
why
have
you
to
bringing Jake's
disconnect
name? No,
him.
leave out the part. Jesus
So me and me
Christ.
tell a friend what party it start to this morning
Okay.
because me come live. And me a talk about the matter, but them a go on like say they don't want to talk the truth. She should have group up with Annie if come for me. And then make her man a kiss Annie. And I use
Who
me
that?
pack them. Me pack them when me cook pan TikTok pan and them Annie go down their motor.
Who that?
Annie there with my sister man and a kiss pan live. Yeah, them have to group up with Annie if
Which
you
one?
come
Which
for
one is your
me.
sister? Oh, so
The one
Berry-
named Chantel.
so that boy never did they with Berry.
No man, they do that to prank with Berry, right? But me the half time about it, so she never take it too far, right? So they end it. But you him fine say no, the only way to get to me and get some views on TikTok I there with Annie.
Oh,
So
that
he
is
gone
it.
there with Annie we call me
not
Mother
perfect,
Obi a
you know.
Walker. And then something there. Oh you
Oh,
read
no,
so
so-
far with Annie.
I can go through the water.
Oh you read so
Over
far.
and
One look idiot girl
Only
that you
stop,
know.
madam.
I
Tell
him
them
book
about
hotel
the
and
going.
Airbnb for Annie
I'll
cock up in her, you know.
so much.
You want to see how
You have
Annie
a good
jump
show,
up
but
on the man last night and just a galang so the way him a galang all in clothes right off, you know. And he only can go pan date in a water kind pussy sting, so him have to keep
Hey,
it
no.
hydrated.
Just, remember, me can't do the pussy thing. Me can't do the.
What's
So,
that true? Thing come from the yard, I know him can't be kind afraid for be kind think no ras. You know, so once him take out the clothes if you know what same time whole house think.
I just wish everything goes good with you guys. I wish everything work out. If you want the interview, you'll get the interview. But I just hope everything work out for you guys.
You need to interview her why she choose to go in my life like that. Why she choose to come in my life like that. Why she choose to come just this time too. No. Me not think she mind her business.
You said something about $500. Who's trying to take away your $500 that you get weekly? Who's trying to do that?
No. They want me to buy. They want me to buy be a grocery and feed the whole nation like I'm a breed and push out 8 people in a one house. Yes. They want me to feed the whole of them and to me not feed the whole of them. Me I save my money and say me I go make one bar. They want to kill me for my money. And my mother now, you see to me not get money for pay bills. Me more for buy her one bed or buy her something more me know say she not have and she need it. She not really defend me. She defend them because them pay bills or she they take loan. So, me have to run where they want to take one little money when me I get to. Me I get me little $500 from overseas and then me they use me little cents and I sell a mango. Them and I make money. So them I watch my money. I mean I make them watch my money and get my money. Me have to enjoy my money too. So I my runway. And to my runway now, I'm a runway, I'm a come settle down and me I live me look nice, comfortable life. Then want come back at me, I try find my address where part my live for come beat me up. But them should come cause they don't know where me live.
Oh, so you run left your family them?
Yes, me run well left them. Me go send money over there through online to me local sister, me underage sister. Me run way.
So basically,
So I'm your husband.
See my husband right to society. I mean, I also walk up and down. Me and my husband run them. Me not run left my husband. This
Tony and
road. My
show her your husband.
take everywhere.
Tony and show her your husband, I beg.
Come babe, come present up yourself.
I'm
Smile.
foreigner there.
No, me not reach a foreign yet. Me soon reach.
Hello,
See me.
Miss
Know
Rose.
your
How are
husband.
you?
Know your
How long
husband.
ago he's there now? How long he's there
Right,
now?
you want to see me?
Why don't
Yeah,
you
just-
shut up?
just-
You want me to take you up? You want me to take you? Rose, step in and
I give her my money.
Couple
What?
week now.
No, no.
Rose, when
Couple week now in there,
you
you
do
not
come
go
back, hold
nowhere.
on, let me exit fucking Rose. When Rose behave herself, we go bring her back. When we came over exit Rose, I want the blood clot is almost everybody may go exit. Guys, the
You
people-
want
Guys,
the girl money?
Tonyan,
You know-
Tonyan, move Rose a
But
second.
yes,
Rose,
ask me, I tell you.
Rose, move Rose a second. Rose, be rude to me. But rude, as I me have to move her.
You want the girl money?
As I move your blood clot. Everybody may move at the same rest. You get what he say, man? Everybody move. How you move one person? Me not understand. Let me add back. Rosa get too fucking ridiculous now. Me can't take ridiculous things. What Tony and now? Tony never. Our wrong, man. Where's Tonya, hold on. Rosa get ridiculous. Once she start my jump, can't deal with that fuckery. Me get sense now, me not idiot. Where's Tonya? Me has sense now. She have a follow back the page. She has
Oh, wait. Yeah, come.
follow back the page.
Me follow you a little while. Alright, follow now.
Right, because me never did a see. Come, let's continue. Go ahead.
Me? Listen. Listen, you have one long stick on your TikTok page, you know, you need to watch it. That's why I lose on the page because you're not watching no limit or mix up on all. You see me? Now lose my page again because we learn about this app.
What long stick?
You have one somewhere we go so it full and it will full go right up to the brim. When it full go right up to the brim, you lose your page. So you have to watch the limit of things then what you do. Notice how long me not do no mix up and now me not get no restriction. Come here balance it. But come back to the situation. One time, me over St. Thomas scene. When me just go back at St. Thomas. My sister move out of the house instantly.
1 second, guys. I just went in and I told they said that the check-in time has been delayed, and the lady said I can go through 4 o'clock. Stop, guys. Stop about the flight. They said to me the flight has been delayed, so I can. The lady said I have till 4 o'clock out here to go in security. Go ahead.
Now, but I make true TikTok you miss your flight, you know.
Don't me not gonna miss it. No, go ahead.
Then say Annie chat me. You know, say me not like how she love chat me. Because if she never come in my family, me would not chat her.
Let me ask the question. What was the problem between you and Annie?
You remember when you do the cooking?
Mm-hmm.
And you see Annie have people that help her cook the food?
Mm-hmm.
And then remember me do my garnish and my presentation and it look well properly?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because if you got hotel, why people ain't chuck up your whole life food in one plate gear?
Okay.
If you say you go dine, you don't want more than one plate.
Also, there's jealousy from the cooking.
Yes, jealousy from the cooking. So then say me can't cook. And from right did it so. And you go on like say, she have when me have under my foot. So me have to make sure know say no all front can't match up to this dolly front. You can't for me front no look like it touch. So friend so me and Annie can't agree and he start calling me come here walk her.
We would love to add Annie for answer why.
And then she always start busting me a troll her.
Somebody
Like
tell Annie send a request.
You know what makes you say me a troll her? Because when me fi get married, Annie want get married when me I get married. So tell me say I know you a troll me and friend so me put on a blood clot troll in Panny when me get married before and then me wrap up in blood clot for back to school. Friend so Annie no like me.
Somebody send me some low. So that's from that time? Wow.
Yes. That's why.
Hold on. Me not low. Guys, am I still low? Guys, if you talk about the flight one more time, I mute you. The people them say I could go through security at 4 o'clock. I just went to the counter. The flight delayed. Stop it. Okay, continue.
Yeah, friend did as a she like, but me I say, Annie make she tell you, say, and I lie me I tell.
Hold on, let me add her. Somebody tell Annie send me request. Let's see. Where Annie thing name? Hold on a second. Annie. She not follow me. We not follow each other on a new page. That's why. Guys, somebody tell Annie to send me a request. Hold on. All right. Somebody tell Annie to add me. Hold on. But the thing is, we're not following each other yet. Because this is my new page. That's the reason why. We're not following. Guys, somebody take over and tell Annie to add me. My new page is official Roy Q. Hold on a second.
Me a prepare for her, that's why I'm so silent. Cause me gonna wrap her up.
No, but we don't want the course.
And that's why I'm so silent because me a rhyme me lyrics them like a song for her. You wait till she come.
No, Annie not go cost me. Okay, me not go. No, when she come, okay, see Annie here, hold on. Let me add Annie, hold on.
Come, cause you
Don't
will
cuss.
want
Don't
argue
cuss.
with me long
Don't
time too.
don't cuss. Don't cuss. Don't cuss. Don't cuss. Let's
Why
speak like
you?
people. Don't cuss. Don't cuss. Let's tell her don't cuss.
Driver, park up your car a little bit, me hear that's what go on.
Right.
Go over the pen of the cool shade.
Don't
Please,
cuss.
not
Don't
beg
cuss.
you. Wait
Let's
for your
talk like
little
big.
friend.
Let's talk like big
Oh, I
people.
don't know
Let's
the
talk
place
like
you go. We sorry?
Tony and
Just
don't cuss, okay?
give me a little bit. Give me a little
Tony
bit.
and don't cuss, okay? Tony and don't cuss. Let's talk like big people. So Annie, Tony came to me, right? And she said she have a problem, right? That you took the sister boyfriend. But it's where did it start from? Why you and Tony and start? Where did it start from?
Where it start from with who? You're talking about the sister's boyfriend or just Tony and herself?
With Tony and why you guys not because we want peace? You understand? Why you guys why the beef start? Well, she said from the cooking thing. So where did it start?
Right, me and Tony and do not have any beef. Tony and just take it upon herself and continue troll me. You understand? And from there, so you know, she married to her man, and upon her wedding day, she tell me say, Annie do this and beat me and a bag of things and a bag of ray. And from there, so my sister, she's a troll. She's just a troll.
Means that troll become pussy tight and all of the pitting there where you
Every girl can say they pussy tight. 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 Every girl can want them out and say they pussy tight.
Yes,
Right you. I'm coming over here to have a conversation, sir.
Your mouth
Talk
look
to
like
me.
suckwood. Your mouth look like suckwood. The
Right,
breast
you, are
is
you
not
listening to me?
Yeah, I'm listening to you, Annie.
Okay.
Tony, she's not been rude. Go ahead, Annie.
rude before she come
Yeah,
here.
that's what I said to you, right? Me and her don't have anything. She just continue to troll me, you know. Cost me. If I buy one suit, me buy one suit. Is that time me buy one suit and me go up and roll it show, she run go buy a suit just like me. Me put in my braces, she run go put in her braces. And he do this and beat me. It's like so stupid and childish. You get me? And petty. So she continue troll me. I'm just left her and make she go and talk.
Intense too. I mean, do my own braces, stop on it on your blood clots, and me I wear braces long time. Nobody
Alright,
what you
Annie, follow my new page. Listen.
Okay,
So
I
here's the
will.
thing.
I will.
Annie,
Right here, can I say something to you quick and go because I can't be here with this rubbish. Her sister knows. Her sister didn't want me to do like her sister boyfriend did want me to do. You have to come talk to me right here so you can get the full understanding about what really are going on. You understand? You can't do so with a little squeaky rubbish sheep you so I want the most way. She need to go untie the white boy. She need to go untie the white boy. Look at the white boy. Freedom!
Come here,
Right, you leave me alone. Leave me there.
At this now end, you have to run record who have a tighter hold door. None of them girls are ready pan the app. Only thing she can't talk about them is creaky vibes. You see how my hold tight? She just see a weird on a blood clot above you and know that. No. Me not have time to sit down and look in her face like you know, see her all carrying in her now. The markets let him off.
Tony, remember me said don't cuss.
You know, see her all carrying in her. The markets let him off. So tell me, you know, all me no focus. She should have come for me when she not the markets. She should have come for me when she silent so now. So me no fit talk me hunger as she coming at my family. She want to get married for my wedding day. She never tell you that. She said me a troll her. You believe her, you know? When you know me not tell lie.
No, but remember,
and her friend see this, so she want to get married before me. See, she had a talk about say me obey my man. Or me fi obey my man.
Right, but what I'm saying, right? If you give her time to talk, then you talk, but you just talk because you don't want to resolve it good. Because you know she said it's that you're trolling her, and you said it's from the wrong with your brother, and you know so I want to get it.
You put. But anyway, man, I beat you put.
Then I go beat me. Who go beat me?
You checking already?
Yes.
Hey, yeah, they're going to mix up.
The mix-up queen is calling me mix-up. The mix-up queen is calling me mix-up.
Come now, get rid of them, the people there now. Who them a hot girl want? Right, you. Are you are me a friend, you know? You're my man, no friend. No, that's why I'm this here because you and him not friend.
It did not diss me, Candy. It did not diss. That was me.
Him said to you, don't talk to me, I don't know here.
It did not. You know what?
Him don't know you. So me said, no, don't talk to him. Yum, yum, like a nugget. Yum, 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 yum.
You know what?
Yes, because
then Candy right to have a talk to your man.
You're supposed to talk to me.
All of us was outside. Listen,
Come here, yum, 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 yum.
Candy, right to have.
So we just come from the scream and get comfortable.
Can't take the fuck. You see, Candy mix up bad enough. You know, some bomb. Guys, the flight, I can check in at 4 o'clock. I keep telling you guys that. The girl tell me I could go through the gate 4 o'clock. Oh, now listen, the flight got delayed. No, I mean, I can't tell. I mean, man, this up your mad. My friend, so we were all outside. I wanted to meet Candy, right? We were all outside. Me go and me say, hey, Candy, what's up? So my friend went up to ask Candy's, no, he never asked Candy boyfriend, no. He pointed and he said, that's Candy's boyfriend. And the man said, where you pine pan, where you pine pan? So the man was cursing, but not me. But Candy thought the man was cursing at me. My friend was pointing because I told him I wanted to meet Candy. I told him I wanted to meet Candy. See me friend in the, no, I told him I wanted to meet Candy. So they took me to where he stays. And then one of my friends now was saying, that's Candy's boyfriend. My flight always delayed. Crystal, you have sense? My flight not always delayed. Let me add back Tonya. Tonya is not on. Tonya not the on. How about Tonya gone?
Tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around?
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
They sitting around all day playing video games, yo. I'm out here in these streets trying to figure things out, and my ear ain't yelling at me, man.
All I wanna do is